Let's talk about a really common verb, look. In the future, you'll be using this little word in lots of ways, depending on what comes after it. Let's take a look. See what I did there? First up, you'll look after people. You'll look after your family, your grandkids, your partner, maybe even your aging parents. You'll look after your home, fixing things, keeping it cozy, and you might finally look after yourself with rest, good food, and learning how to say no. Look after means to take care of someone or something, and you'll definitely do a lot of that in the future. Next, you'll look for things. You'll look for your glasses, your phone, your keys, probably all three before breakfast. But it's not just stuff. You'll look for peace. You'll look for purpose. You might even look for a new place to live, or new ways to spend your time. Look for means to search, physically or emotionally, and you will keep looking. Now, you will look into things. You'll look into travel ideas. You'll look into that weird noise the fridge keeps making. And yes, you'll probably look into new hobbies, or side gigs, or is it too late to learn the ukulele? Answer, no, it's never too late. Look into means to explore or investigate something. And that curiosity? It's not going anywhere. Then there is look forward to. You'll look forward to slow mornings, to little vacations, to visits from the people you love, to Friday night pizza and Sunday afternoon naps. Look forward to means to feel happy about what's coming, and you will, over and over again. And finally, you will look out for. You'll look out for traffic, for fishy emails, for sales on your favorite snacks, but most of all, you'll look out for people. Because that's just who you are. Look out for means to be careful or to protect someone. And in the future, you'll be that person people rely on. So, in the years ahead, you'll look after, look for, look into, look forward to, and look out for. One little verb, so many ways to use it. Which one do you think you'll use the most? Let us know in the comments.